Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. If you're watching this video, it means you want to use Elevenlabs for free. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Plus, I'll help you get rid of the annoying unusual activity error message you might run into. Let's dive right into it. Elevenlabs is a sophisticated AI tool for speech synthesis, which allows you to generate speech from text and manipulate audio recordings to create lifelike AI voices. As one of the most advanced AI voice generators available in 2024, it's both powerful and affordable. You can start with a free trial, but the starter plan costs just $1 for the first month and $5 per month thereafter, provides more generous usage limits, and includes a commercial license. To use Elevenlabs, the first thing you need to do is head over to Elevenlabs. Once there, you'll start by signing up. After clicking on Sign Up, head over to Temp Mail. This part is crucial. You'll find all the links you need in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Once you're on Temp Mail, you'll see a screen like this, displaying a temporary email address. All you have to do is copy that temporary email and use it when signing up on Elevenlabs. Set a password, click Sign Up, and you're almost done. Elevenlabs will send a verification email to your temporary address. Simply switch back to Temp Mail, find the email, and click Verify Email. Once verified, you can log into Elevenlabs, and you'll notice you have a 10,000 character limit. Here's a quick demo to show you how it looks in action.
Hi, welcome to AI Dynamo. If you're finding this amazing video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.
Now, let's tackle the common issue, which is the unusual activity error message, often seen when trying to log in Elevenlabs. If you encounter this on mobile, simply download any free VPN app, and you should be good to go. For desktop or PC users, here's an easy fix. Go to your Google Chrome store and download a free VPN. For the sake of this video, we will be using Blaze VPN. Type Blaze VPN on the search bar. Select the VPN, and you want to install. Click Add to Chrome, and add the extension to your browser, after which you pin it to the taskbar. Once your VPN is installed, connect to it, then head back to Elevenlabs. That error message should disappear for good. Before we wrap up, you might be wondering how many minutes of audio the free 10,000 characters every month actually is? Based on the Elevenlabs usage calculator, 10,000 characters get you roughly 10 minutes of generated text-to-speech voiceover. Go ahead and have some fun with it. You might want to use that quota for short videos like TikToks, Instagram videos, or YouTube Shorts. And remember, it resets every month. But if it's not enough, you can upgrade your account to 30,000 characters, and it costs just $1 for the first month, which honestly is basically free. You can also check out the other plans if you need more. There are other options available to explore. You're not going to get better AI text-to-speech voices anywhere else. So click the link below and use Elevenlabs for free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome AI updates as they happen. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.